we will be using Anaconda, which is a distribution for Python and the R programming language. We will basically use it for Python. This distribution is supported by Windows, Linux, or even Mac OS. The first thing you need to do is just type on Google Anaconda Python, and you should get this website which is called Anaconda Distribution. Click on it, and then here you should see all the supported operating systems. For me, it's saying that here for Windows, so I can click on download directly, and it will download the version that is suitable for my Windows. Initially, it is 64 bits. I'm using Python 3.9, the newest version. At the moment I am recording this lecture, if you click on any of those, be it Mac OS or Linux, you should be able to get it for those operating systems as well. So for me here, I'm going to be clicking on download, and it will start downloading. Now this version is actually suitable for both 32 and 64 bits Windows. Now I can open my installer, and you just need to follow the instructions. You don't really need to do anything special. So say I agree, all users, just choose your setup directory and finalize this setup. And this will be the first step, which is installing the Anaconda Python distribution. Now that we have installed Anaconda, let's see how we can open our Spider IDE. You need to press the Windows Start button and type Anaconda prompt. Now, Anaconda prompt is a command line very similar to the command line that comes along with Windows. But this one actually comes along with Anaconda distribution. So let's open it. Now the command line will open. All you need to type is spider, like that. And run this command by pressing enter. Now the IDE is initializing. Alright, so this is our IDE, the Spider IDE. Now we will write our code here, and after we are done, we will be pressing this run file button and the code will be executing. You can save all of your files by just clicking on File and then Save As, and then you can simply just choose a directory to store your Python program. And that's it. Now we are ready to start coding some Python.